Hello everyone and welcome to Flavorful Cooking. Today I'll be showing you how to make peri peri mix. For this recipe you would need 3 tablespoons of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon black salt, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon ginger powder, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon powdered sugar, and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix all the dry ingredients and then your peri peri spice mix is ready. Store it in an airtight container and use accordingly. Peri peri spice mix can be used in regular curries. It can also be used as a seasoning agent in chicken, rice, mutton recipes, even peri peri pasta. If you're interested in trying out that recipe, you can check out in the description box below or the icon above. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.